Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm V, Simply V at home. Today I wanted to share with you some throw pillows that I made, some holiday throw pillows that I made. These pillows were so easy to make and so simple. They cost about less than $5. I just picked up some fabric from Joann's. I already had the inserts from last year. I didn't want to use those inserts, so I decided just to make some. These pillows will go in my bedroom, or I may even give them as a gift. But I started out by measuring the pillow. The pillow was 18 by 18, so I cut the fabric 20 by 20 to leave 1 inch on each side. And then I ironed the fabric just to get all the wrinkles out. And then I got this heat bond from Walmart. This this heat bond is absolutely great. All you do is cut, iron it on, and it adheres so strongly. So I've used it now on a few pillows that I've made. I've had no issues with it coming apart. You just have to make sure that when you're using it, that you have the steam off on your iron. So you put the heat bond on, you line up your seams, and also make sure that your fabric is right side to right side. That way you'll have a nice seam when you turn it inside out. But then you just iron your seams together, and then turn your pillow inside out. Use your fingernail to get the points at the end. As you can see, it's really strong. It's really pretty. I'm putting the pillow in now so I can close it up. Now, this is the only part where you're actually going to see where it's glued together, but it won't look bad. It's going to look absolutely beautiful. For no sew, for a quick 5-minute project, you're passing by Joann's, you can pick up any kind of fabric. This works with any size pillow, bolsters, small pillows. I had an old comforter set that came with some pillows, so I wasn't using it anymore, and I decided to take those old pillows and just put some fabric on them just to give them a revamp, and they turned out pretty. Also be careful with ironing, because the iron is hot and you don't want to burn yourself. So just, be extra careful when you're doing it, but just line up the seams, press down on a pillow when you're closing it. If you press down on the pillow, it's going to actually help the seams come together. That's it. It literally took minutes to do these pillows, and look how pretty they turned out. It's gold and gray and beige. I had this ribbon already, so by the end of doing these two pillows, I said, well, you know what? They turned out so pretty. I'll probably give them to my daughter as a Christmas gift. So I'm just wrapping them up with some ribbon that I already had. I think it's cute. Just real pretty, simple project, quick project, inexpensive, something you can do in, just a matter of minutes, that'll have a great impact on someone. It's going to be a one-of-a-kind gift, something that no one else has. And, I'm sure that whoever receives these pillows are going to appreciate it. But, yeah, in the end, I decided that they would be gifts to someone, probably my daughter, but don't tell her I said that. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel, comment, and share this video. I wish you all happy, wonderful holidays, and we will see you in the next video.